Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, where we separate reality from artificial nonsense one viral clip at a time, and today we've got something that will either make you go aw or uh-oh. It's the video from a Facebook channel called Animal Stories, showing humans giving a spa treatment to an orca. Yep, a killer whale getting a full-on deep cleaning like it's a car at the car wash. Now at first glance, it looks kinda wholesome. The orca is dirty, covered with what seems like shells and grime, and humans are scrubbing it down with brushes and tools. Cute, right? But here's the catch. This whole thing smells fishier than a tuna factory. And no, not because of the killer whale, because it's clearly AI generated or CGI. Let's break it down. First off, the orca's movement looks, let's just say, off. Real killer whales move with smooth, powerful motions. This one? It moves like it's on Windows 98 screensaver mode. The animations feel too floaty, too robotic, and sometimes it doesn't even match the human's actions. Imagine trying to pet your cat and the cat lags 2 seconds behind. Yep, that's what's happening here. Second, let's talk about the humans in the clip. They look like they're working hard, but the brushes and tools don't seem to actually touch the orca properly. Half the time, it looks like they're scrubbing invisible air. It's like AI forgot that physics exists. Maybe next update, right? Third, and this one cracks me up, notice how the orca just lies there smiling like it booked a 5-star spa appointment. In reality, an actual killer whale wouldn't just chill like that. These are wild, massive animals. If you came at them with a scrub brush, chances are you'd be the one getting washed out to sea. And let's be real, if killer whales needed human cleaning services, there would already be Yelp reviews like 3 stars, the brushes were too rough, and they didn't offer complimentary plankton. So yeah, the verdict, this isn't a rescue video, it's another AI generated clip designed to make you share and go, wow, humans are amazing. But in reality, what's amazing here is how AI can make an orca look like it just left a mud spa retreat. So next time you see an orca getting pampered online, remember, it's probably not wildlife rescue. It's just wildlife rendering. Don't fall for everything on Facebook because trust me, half the time it's just CGI killer whales living their best fake lives. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the breakdown and subscribe for more myth-busting fun. See you in the next one.